The ultimate showdown. Car, Mini Cooper Scoop size versus a fairy helicopter. Go! Oh my god, my car's not moving! Fairy's dying!
Look at it go!
I think the battery's dying.
Really sucks. Well, the helicopter battery dead. Look at me right over. Come on, kid. Come on, Minnie. Minnie. Look at it twitch. Hi.
The last Twitch ever died. Oh god!
Got the car control.
This could be awesome. Oh, that wasn't so awesome. You're doing neat.
Damn. A new Young Pony Club ice cream. What the hell are you doing?
This!
Oh my god, you creature of the night! The night? The night. You are a creature of the night, Emma.
Yeah.
Beat your mind.
Yeah. Die!
Oh yeah, sometimes it doesn't drive. It's quite hard on carpet. You know, you can charge the helicopter
I know.
on a controller.
Yeah! Stop following me!
Yeah, it might not back up now. Actually, it won't. Poor helicopter. It's that last dying night. I'll put it to sleep. Don't run over the poor helicopter! I cannot believe you just ran it over. Horrible, horrible monster! It's a rather odd position you're in to try and drive a Mini. Is this what you're gonna do when you feel like when you're driving a car upside down? Hating it is not gonna help. In fact, it's gonna make it more liable to hate you and not drive at all. Press back.
The tunnel! And back! And again!
Your life really is not a tunnel.
Oh wait.
Emma,
Yes.
you really are a lady of the night.
I just got that!
Do you know what a lady of the night is?
Just got it there.
Intercourse.
Obstacle course!
Oh, stop it now. It's nearly 5 minutes.
Bye!
Bye!